this room tour. This is the Ngorongoro Farm House. This is a double room. So right when you walk in, there's a luggage area, and then there's also hangers up above, and then you walk into the room area. So if we go this way, we have a safe, a flashlight, and bug spray, and then there's the paper for the laundry. They do have laundry services here. And nice windows that you can open, and they're screened in. So this one opens, this one doesn't. And then here we have a kettle, coffee, tea, water. There's all kinds of things that you may need here. And then the water dispenser, which dispenses both cold and warm water. And a nice little seating area with the fireplace. So chairs. I like the coffee table. So there's like coffee beans. I think that's, oh, I think this is like the evolution of coffee. And they roast it and grind it and the whole thing. That's kind of cool. It's different. I've never seen anything like that. And then as you flip around here, here are the beds. They do have mosquito nets on them. But look at these vaulted ceilings. I think that's why it's really cool in here. There's not air conditioning, but the room isn't warm. Not a ton of outlets here, but adequate outlets and placed in the right places. So here's a little chest. There's, I think, a blanket in there. Yep, extra blankets in there. And then as you come around here, we have the telephone and then a lamp on either side of the bed. Another lamp. Nice little dressing table, and then we have this beautiful view with this beautiful patio. And these are glass windows, and we'll open up the door and we'll go outside and see. So this is a working farm. We saw cows a little while ago, but it's nice and quiet and really, really nice out here.